Hey everybody, welcome back to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. In today's fun video, we're going to make a 3D chocolate Easter egg. I have a mold here which I bought off of Amazon, but these are available at a lot of stores as well. So this is a really fun mold because the two pieces fit together perfectly, so we get a really nice finished product. So I have some melted chocolate here, and all I'm going to do now is I'm just going to pour that right into the mold. Just like that. Maybe a little more. That's good. So this is non-tempered chocolate, so anybody can do this at home. And then you just simply close the mold. And I've got metal paper clips here. And these here are for binders. I think the official name for them are binder clips. So you can find those in office supply stores. So we close it down like this. The more clips, the better. And now you just want to take the chocolate, make sure I'm on camera here, and you want to turn it. Just turn your chocolate mold just like this. Now you can do some really cool designs. If you wanted to do something where you want to just leave a little bit of it open, you could just leave a little bit of it open like that and take it apart, and then you'd have a little opening, which is kind of cool too. But in this here, I'm just going to take it and just turn it all the way around. Just like that. Okay. And that's basically it. So all I'm going to do now is I'm going to put this into the freezer for 10 minutes, and then I'm going to flip it over. So that's what I'm going to do now. So 10 minutes in the freezer, then I'm going to flip it over, another 10 minutes, and then I'm going to flip it again, and I'm going to leave it in there for 1 hour because there's a lot of chocolate in here, and I want to make sure that everything is solid when we open up the mold. So into the freezer. Now that my mold has completely chilled in the freezer, let's remove our clips and let's hope that we get a nice clean break. You can see already from here that it looks like we're going to have a nice result. So let's lift that off. Oh, good so far. And then the next one, look at that. Oh, nice. So there's our mold, and there is our nice 3D Easter egg. Look at that. Doesn't that look nice? And this one here is textured. You can see the nice texture on the mold right there. I really like that mold. Look at that. That is amazing. Really nice clean seams on the sides. So yeah, I am very impressed. Very, very nice. And for contrast, if you want to do it in white chocolate, well, there you go. So now you can see what they look like. Make sure I'm on camera here. And look at that. Nice. So that's it for this really fun video. So you can see with a little bit of chocolate and an inexpensive mold, the fun that you can have at Easter with your children. You know they're going to have fun breaking into these. Anyway, so that's it. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed my video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish, and if you're on Facebook, you can check me over there at BakeLikeAPro. Thanks very much. I'll catch you on the next one. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.